Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are absolutely fine. Today I'm making kokum syrup, the kokum concentrate. This is a kokum fruit, and it is used to make the kokum juice like this. So you make the concentrate and then add water to it to make this juice. It is basically preserving this kokum fruit in sugar, and you can use it as you need it. So let's see how we make the kokum syrup. So the first thing is we need to remove the stem. And cut the fruit into half, and the core needs to be removed and put it aside. So all these fruits are now cut into half. Core has been removed, but I haven't thrown it yet. So I just want to give you a close look of how it looks. So I've removed the part which was near the stalk and also the base. So to make the kokum syrup, I will need sugar. I don't know how much, but we need to fill each bowl like this with sugar. So let's do this. So fill it completely, because the sugar and the fruit will react and it will form into a syrup, and we'll keep it aside. We have to make sure that the fruit is completely dry. There is not a single drop of water in it. Actually, you just need sugar and the fruit, but I'm also going to add little rock salt, but later on. But adding the salt or the rock salt is optional. Okay, see, all these fruits are now filled with sugar, so I'm going to put it in a jar, in a wide mouth jar, and we are going to store it. I'm just going to put some sugar on it and just a little black salt or rock salt. And this is optional. And then I'm going to repeat this for each layer. So now all the fruits are now are in the jar, and this core, I'm just going to add little salt to it. I'm going to crush it. So this is what left after squeezing the core seeds, and I'm going to add this. And now we can close the jar. So now the jar has been sealed, and you have to keep it away from the sunlight and give it a shake after a couple of days. And you will be able to see that the sugar and the fruits has been blended, and it forms into like a gooey substance, like a syrup, and then you can use it to make a nice kokum syrup. So after a couple of days, you see it has already started the reaction and has lost the volume, and it's softening and is forming into a syrup. And then we have to take some of the syrup and make the juice by putting, like, about 1/5 of the syrup, and then adding rest of the water to make nice kokum juice.